Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Rachel and today I'm going to be doing a video on natural hair products that you can use on your 4A low porosity hair. So if that fits your description, keep watching this video. Okay, so what is porosity? What is low porosity? I'm glad you asked. So porosity basically is the ability for your hair to retain moisture. So if you have low porosity, that means your hair can't retain moisture that well. If you've got high porosity, that means your hair is doing exceptionally well of retaining moisture. And then there's also that medium tier, which is neither retaining moisture well and retaining moisture well. Yeah. So that's the whole porosity breakdown. And so there's something called a porosity test, and you can do that on your hair, and that's gonna help you see if you have low, medium, or high porosity hair. And so what this test really shows is the types of products that you can use on your hair that it's gonna be great for your hair texture, because whenever someone goes natural, the most important thing is knowing what products to use for your hair. For your like wash and goes, for your braid outs, for your twist outs, all of that. The products you use are gonna determine whether your hair is growing and whether your hair is retaining moisture and just not being dry and brittle, because nobody likes having dry or brittle natural hair. Okay, so I have to be still because my little puppy, he's sleeping in my lap. All right, so let's get into low porosity hair. So the way I figured out that I have low porosity hair is through the porosity test. So I took a strand of my hair and I put it in a cup of water, and your hair can do a number of three things. It can either float to the top, which mine did because that means you have low porosity, stay in the middle, which means you have normal porosity, or float to the bottom, which means you have high porosity hair. And so since my hair floated to the top, obviously, like I said, I have low porosity hair. And so what that means is, like, when I would do like wash and goes, products would literally just sit on the top of my hair. I would get really dry scalp. My hair would not retain moisture well. Like literally I would have flakes everywhere. I would like literally wash my hair and then you could see like flakes all through the front of my hair, and I would be like, what the heck? So finally, when I decided to actually get smart and do some research instead of just buying hair products, because I would see different YouTubers saying, oh, if you have this hair, blah, 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 use this hair product. I was like, no, you have to really test to see the type of moisture that your hair can take in. That way you can know what products you should be using. And so once I did that, I was able to kind of find products that worked with my hair. And so a little backstory, I actually did a curly cut back in January, and I'll show some pictures of what my hair looked like prior to this stage it's in now, because my hair was longer than this. I did a curly cut, like I said, the beginning of January 2020, because I just wanted to do something different, and I realized that my hair was not growing really to a place where I liked. Like now it's gonna grow out like this versus before it was just growing here. And so shout out to Always Karma Hair. She did my curly cut, so you guys follow her on Instagram. She's an amazing hairstylist in the Dallas area. So yeah, so now I'm at the stage where like I'm ready for my hair to start really flourishing. And so in order to do that, I had to get products that really are gonna work with the type of hair that I have. And so I have 4A hair. I don't know how like the different breakdowns work, 4A, 4B, 4C, but I just know like I went to a stylist and she was like, okay, you have 4A hair. So you can get into all of that depths of A, B, C, D, E, F, G, all that stuff. But like I know I have 4A hair and my hair is low porosity. So let's get into the products that will work for your hair if you are low porosity as well. Okay, really quick, y'all, I wanted to show you.
You don't need to sound like that.
Yes, I do.
No, you don't.
Really quick, you guys, I wanted to show you the length check on my hair. As y'all know, when you're natural, shrinkage is real. So let's just get into this growth. Like,
wow,
isn't this amazing? Like, isn't it crazy how literally your hair could be up here, but really that's not how long your hair is. It's really longer than that. Just thought that was pretty cool to show you. Okay, so This lovely bag here is all of the products that I went and purchased from Jimmy's. I did not just go over the top and be a product junkie. I did end up spending a little bit more than I was going to originally, but that's because I saw this amazing hair mask that was $13.99, or no, it was like $16.99, and I was like, I have to have it. It's gonna be great for my hair. So when you do go to these beauty supplies, ladies, like I know it can be hard to just go buy, but really research and look for the different products that are gonna like help you retain that moisture. So one of the things I purchased, well, first I want to show you guys two things that I purchased on Amazon that wasn't from the beauty supply store, but they're great for low porosity hair. So this is Christina Moss Naturals here. See, this is the conditioner. This literally is just such a thin like material that I feel like works really well, and it's infused with peppermint, so your hair will literally smell so good, but it's also lightweight. So like with low porosity, you want to have like kind of like products that have a little bit of like water in it that's not so heavy and thick, so that way it can like be applied to your hair lightly. Also, this is a handcrafted formula, so literally guys, check out Christina Moss Naturals. They literally have the best stuff. Also, if you're dealing with dry scalp, she helps fix that with that product. And then this is the shampoo. So you got your shampoo and your conditioner. Okay, so now on to the products from the beauty supply store. So this is Lotta Body. I purchased their co-wash. Or this is two of their co-washes. This one's actually kind of an old wrapping, but I got their co-wash. I've got their curl milk. Lotta Body shampoo. Lotta Body curl activator. And Lotta Body moisturizing conditioner. And lastly, I've got the Lotta Body hair mask. So all of these 7 products are from the Lotta Body line, and the reason why I went with them is because similar to the Christina Moss line, they are lightweight and it has that water kind of added thing that I need. So like for example, like this is the co-wash. Like you can literally see the lightweight in this product, and like the smell and how it's got like more water and it's not so heavy. Like lightweight products are gonna be great for low porosity hair. And so with their co-wash, obviously wash your hair 2 to 3 times out the week. I'm gonna just put that in there, whatever. Okay. So yeah, so with their co-wash, you can use that with whenever you're like had a wash day, not a wash day, whenever you've had a braid out, twist out, whatever, and it's getting kind of dry and crusty, you can just put the co-wash in and use that. And so after you've done your co-wash, I highly recommend going next in with your curl activator. Okay, keep those curls popping, you know. And then we cannot forget to add our oil. So one of the oils that I used back in the day was tea tree oil. So this one's old, but like I use the Cantu tea tree oil, and it also has jojoba in it. And so that's really great for low porosity hair. But one of the oils that I purchased from the beauty supply store is this grapeseed and avocado oil. It's very lightweight. I kind of shied away from using olive oil, which is why I used to have that green Eco Styler gel that was the olive oil brand. Now I use the, I got this the other day. This is the Eco Styler gel with argan oil, okay? So you might be thinking, this is all the same, blah, blah, blah. Like you could have still used the green one. No, I'm not using any olive oil on my hair. I feel like it makes my hair more dry. And it might work for you, but for me, it doesn't work. So that's why I have the argan oil brand now. And then the last 2 products I want to show you guys are from Shea Moisture. This is the Heatless Curl Stretch Gel in Sea Kelp and Argan Oil. This is the one that I said was $16.99. So you can kind of see in there. So yeah, this is for like when you want to stretch out that hair. Instead of just putting like olive oil or whatever products you used to use before, like this is going to be great and it's lightweight. And then lastly, the leave-in conditioner that I use is the Cantu. All right, this is the Cantu Argan Oil leave-in conditioner. I actually have this in my hair now, and it's great. It moisturizes your hair, like it's great. So yeah, so those are all of the products. The reason why I also stuck with Lotta Body, I don't know if I mentioned this before, they were the most affordable. There's some products that I'm gonna like show popping around here and there that I felt like were great to use, but they were expensive. And so for me, like I don't wanna just go break the bank to have the best products. I wanna use products that are affordable and also that are gonna work with my hair. So the Lotta Body line did that. So shout out to y'all for keeping it affordable. Like literally y'all, this was $3.99. All of their things were $3.99. The hair mask was like $1.49. Alright guys, really quick, I wanted to tell you about the products that I used on my hair with the wash and go that I did today. So got in the shower, did my thing, you know. I shampooed my hair with the Christina Mosh Natural Shampoo, and then I went in with the conditioner. Now whenever I condition my hair, I go from like the bottom to the front, just because I want to make sure that it gets like everything. I'm just really loving how my curls are starting to turn out. Okay, anyways, I go from the bottom to the front. And after that, rinsed out the shampoo, rinsed out the conditioner, and then I went in with the Cantu leave-in conditioner. And after I did that, got out the shower, dried it up a little bit, and then I added the Eco Styler gel of the argan oil that I showed. And that's what I use to like kind of like keep the curls. Like, so usually some people are worried about Eco Styler gel making your hair hard and crusty. This one doesn't. I also use a spray bottle to make sure that it keeps all of its moisture. And so yeah, so that is like how I achieve this. Sometimes I worry that I might look like Frederick Douglass, but I didn't. And so yeah, those are the products that I used to get this wash and go look that you guys see today. Alright guys, so I hope this information was helpful for you. I hope someone saw this video and they're like, you know what, I have low porosity and I'm gonna also use these products too. That's the main goal. So thanks so much for watching this video and we'll see you next time. Bye!